So may mga time talaga na darating sa buhay natin na gusto natin i-give up yung hobbies natin, like my music. Kasi minsan sa Amerika, ang hirap ng buhay, man. It's time managing. So minsan may mga time na gusto kong huminto, mag-focus na lang sa work, o mag-aaral, mag-school, but then nasa dugo ko na kasi talaga eh. It's in my blood, so every time I listen to rap music, especially Tagalog, talagang gusto ko pa eh. I can't stop. But then on the other side, I want to kasi there's the time. But then I met this young inspiring artist dito sa amin sa lugar na to, sa Bay. Sila rin yung nagbigay sa akin motivation na, you know what, I could be the kuya and push the movement, makatulong sa ginagawa ng mga to. Malayo sila sa mga kaguluhan, which is sometimes it's hard, but that's inspired me not to quit. I always look at the youngins na i-push sila and then they inspire me to keep going din naman. So, yun ang mga naisip ko na mag-quit, but then I was like, man, you know what? May mga youngins na nakatingin sa akin, they inspire me, then I just keep going. That's why right now I'm still here, diba?